Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting the exact hardware: a Bluetooth module, a microcontroller, hookup wires, and a stable power source. Because modules differ, confirm whether your board needs 3V or 5V. This prevents damage. Once done, attach a regulator and secure power. Make sure polarity is correct. Then connect TX to RX and RX to TX and add a common ground. While you wire, open your serial terminal or phone app so you can test responses immediately after powering the circuit. Next, configure the module and program the controller so both speak the same language. Put the module into it mode and set the baud rate and name. This ensures stable communication. Then upload a minimal sketch that forwards serial data between the microcontroller and the Bluetooth module and includes simple command parsing for actions. Make sure to flash with the correct voltage level, otherwise uploads fail. While testing, observe LEDs for pairing and data activity to confirm everything works. To finish, pair the module with your phone or PC and send simple commands to verify two-way communication. Once stable, power down and mount the assembly in an insulated enclosure. Secure the antenna and leave ventilation around the regulator. Then test again through the enclosure to confirm range. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip: recheck power levels and swap TX/RX lines. Many failures boil down to incorrect voltage or reversed serial connections, so correct those and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.